everybody, and welcome back to Groove Code, and welcome back to the second video of my Python Advanced tutorial series. If you are new here, my name is Federico Groove, and I make loads of Python programming tutorials and other computer related stuff. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. So subscribe right now. We're going to learn about Python generators. So first I'm going to give you an example of a Python generator. So first we're going to define a simple generator. Let's type in def simple generator fun, and inside here I want to use some yield statements. Just type in yield 1, yield 2, and yield 3. Alright, now we want to use a for loop. So just type in for value in simple generator fun, and all we're going to do is we're going to print out the value. So it's simply going to print out the value. So if we run that, it's going to give us like in a list of it's going to give us a list of numbers, but separated in their own list, like how we're doing in yield. So let's try with string. Let's say hello there. So if we run that, it's going to say hello there, hello there. There we go. Groove. Alright, it's going to show us in a list. So what I'm going to do is undo all this. So I'm just going to undo all this. Alright, now on to another example of these generators. I'm going to remove this for loop here, and I'm going to create a variable called x was the simple generator fun. So this is simply calling our function, and simply down here I want to print out the next number. So just type in next and x. So next is a Python built-in function, or it's just a word basically. So if you just go to the idle window, and if we check the type next, it has to be a bulletin or method. So a bulletin function or a method. Now we want to print out the next number, and we want to print out the next number. Alright, so if we run that, it's going to show us in the same format, but it's showing in the next number. Alright, so it's just like our for loop that we created, and now we want to define a limit. So just type in def. So outside this function, just type in def fib, and we're going to put in the limit. So inside the limit, the user is going to type in a number. So we want to say call our variables a and b equals 0 and 1, and now I want to use a while loop. So say while a is less than the limit. I want to type in yield, and we're going to call a, and we want to say a b equals b a plus b. Alright, now we want to create a variable called x again. It's going to be fib, and we can set a limit to something like 5. It's going to do nothing for now, and we want to and now we're going to print on next. So with the x variable, so let's just type in print next x. I'm going to repeat this 4 more times, so of just having to watch me type. I'm just going to copy this. Alright, and I'm just going to put in the last one. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel this for now and run that. It's going to print out from 0 1 1 2 3. So if we just try to remove this, and it's going to just show us 1 2 2 2. So let's just remove that, and now we want to print out \n. So \n is the new line character in Python. So using for in loop. Alright, now that we say for I in FIB, and we'll set this limit to something like 5. We want to print out I. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake, and now it's going to print out the same method, but it's going to show us an output of the using for in loop. So here it's left blank because this is the new line character in Python. Alright, now that we have, now we want to do the generator expression. So let's remove all this, and now we want to create a generator expression. So we're going to create a rebel exp equals I times 5 for I in range 5, 5, and if I modulus 2 is equal to 0. And now I want to use a for I in loop. So for I in generator exp, we just want to print out I. Alright, so if you run that, it gave me an error, so that is not really necessary. But this is pretty much everything for today. If this video helps you out, leave a like if you appreciate it. It does really help me out in my tutorials. Subscribe, because I'll be making loads of Python tutorials and other computer related stuff. If you have any questions or suggestions or comments, please leave in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video, and I'll always reply to you. I'll see you in my next tutorials. Cheers, bye.